Pete, it's Pete's Tools. Awesome to see you here back again. Today I want to talk about welding lead connectors and what to do with them and how to extend your welding leads. Anything like me, you've always been short on the old length of the welding leads. It's a pain in the bum. Anyway, have a look, see what you think. So you got your welding cable here and you want to extend it. So you want to extend your welding cable, your earth cable, and you've got a 1025 DINS plug on this end of the old cable, and your cable's only 3 meters long, and you want to extend it out for another couple of meters or whatever you want to do. So you, instead of joining it together like so, you get a piece of your cable, your new cable like so, and if you've got the male DINS plug on this end, which normally goes into your machine like that, then all you got to do is put a female on the end that you're trying to extend, and then the male on the other end of this, of course. So we'll just start with putting a female DINS plug on this one. So what we need to do is get a female DINS plug to start off with, and let's have a look what we've got. Now, before I go on, this here is a male, obviously, with the brass bit sticking out of there, but the rubber is also a male. If you notice here that the rubber around here just protrudes out a bit, and if you notice that the rubber on the opposite end of it goes in a bit like that, it's just so you can join them together when we get it things so they actually fit inside each other. So the male end of your plug also comes with a male boot. So this is the female boot. So what you do, and then don't forget to do this, get your piece of your new earth cable, wherever you bought it from. I'll put some links down below if you just want to buy the cable or whatever you want to do. And put it through into your plug first, like so. Like that. So what we need is a female fitting for this one, like that, which is the opposite end of the one that we're trying to extend. And then we've got our new lead here. Just push it on like that, and just line it up. If you notice on, I don't know if you can see that or not, see the two grooves there, one groove there, one groove there. There's two grooves in this grommet, and they will line up when you've done it. But you can twist it around a bit, it's not a problem. And this is about a 4mm Allen screw. So you put your little wedge in there and you tighten it up. And I think that wedge is just designed to stop it from vibrating out, I think. So you tighten it up really tight. Make sure, it should go down below that anyway, but make sure when you're tightening it up that the Allen bolt is below, or at least level with the surface of this. Otherwise it's going to be very hard to get it in there. So we'll just do that, tighten it up. One more turn just to get it down a bit. Yep. So that's pretty well flush there. So we're on there like so. And then bring the rubber up to meet it like that. Making sure that the two things are in alignment together. The two things I showed you before. So you might have to just turn it around a bit until the grooves line up. Let's have a look where the grooves. Sometimes it can be a bit tricky, so just take your time and look where they are. So that needs to go that way a little bit. You'll see what I mean when you start doing it. It's like that. Push it down. What I normally use is a flat piece of steel or something. Push it right down. Ooh. We're down there, and this needs to be level with the bottom of this. So if you go right down a bit further, see how that is level. It's gone in there now and it's level. So there's the plug we put on there, piece of cake. There's our old lead here, attached to our earth. So we just put that in there like that, screw it around like that, and there you go. You have an extension with your DINS plugs. Pretty cool, eh? And then you just do exactly the same thing with the other end of your lead, however long you want it, however long you want to make it, the extra length. And you just put the plug on the other end of it, and you're away again. So on the other end of this, obviously, you're going to need the male version of this again, like that. But you buy them in sets anyway. I think a set of a male and a female with the grommets and the plugs, I think are about $12 or something. Not worthwhile mucking around with trying to join it with tape or anything, you're just wasting your time. So anyway guys, that's what it was for what it's worth. If you like my videos, click the like button, even subscribe. We'll catch you next time.